Now let's create the attack collision area for Attack 01. It's very simple. When you install the Easy Hit System 2D, you will find that there is an option called Tools on the menu. Execute it and the editor will open. We need to provide a few components to the editor. First is the base game object, which represents the character object you want to edit. This is important, as all collision areas will be calculated based on this object. Here, we drag Anthony into it. You may notice that when we set up the base game object, it automatically fetches the avatar animator, which is the object with the animator. Next, add a hit area and name it Attack 01. This is important. The name of this object must exactly match the name of the animation. This object will store all the collision information needed for Attack 01. Drag Attack 01 to target animation, then play. You'll see the editor is able to load the correct information and start editing. Tempo. This represents the tempo of the attack. We'll explain this part later. For now, let's keep it at the default value. Press Edit mode, and the character will switch to the Attack 01 animation. Drag the timeline, the animation will change accordingly. We provide 4 hit areas for a set of animations. For example, I want to add a hit area at this time point. Now I've specified a hit area with its effective time starting at 0.154 seconds and ending at 0.299 seconds. It's convenient to set the start and end time here. Now let's edit the position and size of the hit area. You can directly input the desired values in the editor. Or, a more convenient way, click Edit, and you can quickly update the position by clicking on the screen. Use the mouse wheel to scale the width. If you hold down the Control key, you can scale the height. If you also hold down the Shift key, you can change the values even faster. Here we place the hit area at this position and adjust its size. The final push X and push Y represent the force to apply when hitting the target, in the X and Y directions respectively. After editing, remember to press Save. Add the created Attack 01 to the hit unit's hit area table, and it's all set. Now we can test the hits. You can see that currently, there are no collisions happening. This is because we still have one last thing to set up. Check the hit unit and you'll see my team. Right now, both characters are on the same team, so they won't collide with each other. We just need to change the team of one of them. This tutorial ends here. In the next one, we'll proceed with Attack 02 and explain more detailed settings. See you in the next video.